Hello everyone, in front of me is Hammerblade 3 and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So at first enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select about phone, scroll a bit lower and you will notice here build number. All you have to do now is to tap on it 7 times and then draw an unlock pattern if you have one. That's it. As you can see, from now on you're a developer. Let me go back and now reach System, Enroll Advanced, and here developer options appeared. Click to open and smoothly use everything you need. Then to switch developer panel off, just click on the stop switcher and it's no longer active. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.